Hello K3A students, welcome to our first video for today's class. Today we are studying maths, and before we start I would like to apologize for the confusion last week. So today we will study on unit 5 forming pattern, page number 35-36. So what is a pattern? A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. Things like colors, shapes, numbers, etc. Okay. A pattern is a series that repeats, series or sequence that repeats. Okay. Things like color, it could be colors, numbers, shapes, okay, and so on. So here is one example, first example. So you can see first shape. We have circle. Okay. First shape, circle. So this is one pattern. Okay. Right. Make it easy for you. So this is what we call a pattern. Okay. Pattern with shapes. Okay. We have two shapes in this pattern. Okay. Number one, first one is circle. Number two, what shape is this? Triangle. Okay, we have circle and triangle. Number three, again we have circle. And number four, again we have triangle. So it repeats: circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Again, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So we have two shapes here, and the sequence is repeating. Okay, like circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So, and we have a pattern. Okay, a complete pattern. Next one we have pattern of colors. Okay, we have blue, green, blue, green. Okay, so this is a color pattern. Okay, like blue, green, blue, green. Okay, and example 2, second example, number names and pattern. So as you can see here, what number is this? It's number 1, okay? 1, but in words, okay? 1, 2, and again 1, 2. We have a pattern of numbers, but in words. So you can see numbers in words. 1, 2, 1, 2. We can add one more. Again, 1, 2. Okay. So here you can see, I give you 3 examples of pattern. A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. Okay, could be shapes, colors, numbers. Okay, anything. It can include anything. Okay, so this pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. Okay. So this is all in our first video. I will see you in the next video. Welcome back to our second video of today's class. Today we are studying maths on unit 5, forming pattern, page number 35-36. So what is a pattern? A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. Things like colors, shapes, numbers, etc. Here you can see one example. So we have two shapes: circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So they are repeating. Okay. Again, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, and this whole thing we call it a pattern. Okay. So coming on to your task 1, here we have 4 shapes, okay? So first one we have circle, rectangle, triangle and square. So I want you to draw 2 patterns, okay? So I want you to draw 2 patterns using these shapes and color them in a pattern, okay? So I want you to draw 2 patterns, okay, using these shapes. 2 different patterns, not same, okay? So use all these, okay, and draw 2 patterns using these shapes and color them in a pattern. And I want you to color them like, okay, so here is circle. You color circle green. So next shape you color, you can choose 2 or you can choose all 4, okay? So I want you to draw 2 patterns, okay? And repeat the color as well, okay? Like you choose first shape to color blue, second one green, third one, if you choose the same shape, then again blue and again green, okay? So this is your task 1, okay? So if you will have any confusion or doubts, I'll be there to assist you, help you. Task 2. Now task 2, draw a pattern using following numbers. Okay, so now we have numbers in words here. Number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so I want you to draw a pattern using these numbers, okay, like I mentioned in the last video, okay? So you can follow the same sequence or you can choose, okay, you can choose number 9 in front, okay, like 9, 5, 9, 5, or you can choose 3, 7, 3, 7, okay? So you can choose all these numbers or you can choose just 2 numbers, okay? So like watch my first video very carefully so you can follow examples in the first video to draw up these patterns to do task 1 and task 2, okay? So if you will have any confusion, don't worry, you can ask me as many as time you want, so I'll be there to explain you and help you. So this is the end of our second video. I will see you in the last and third video. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today's class. Today we are studying on unit 5, page number 35, 36, forming pattern. So what is a pattern? A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats things like colors, shapes, numbers, etc. Like here you can see 2 shapes are repeating, so this is a pattern. So now your first homework is on page number 35, okay? You can see you have 2 patterns here and 3 here, so I want you to color these 3, okay? So color all 3 and try to color different colors, okay? Use different colors, don't use same colors like orange, no, use different colors, okay? And your next homework is on page number 36. So page number 36, color all the shapes. You have shapes and you have numbers and numbers in words. So color all the shapes with 1, okay, number and 1 in words, orange, like here, orange, and you have 1 in words, color orange. So find all number 1 and 1 in words shapes and color them orange. Next, color all the shapes with number 9 and 9 in words green, okay? So you can find here number 9 and number 9 in words. So color them green, okay? Understand? So this is your second homework. Your first homework is on page number 35. Your second homework is on page number 36, okay? Page number 35, color the patterns. Page number 36, color all the shapes with number 1 or 1 inwards orange. Next, color all the shapes with number 9 or 9 inwards green. Then you will see a word. When you are done coloring all the shapes, you will see a word. Okay? So I want you to write down word here. Okay? Here. What do you see? Okay? Like here you see answer. What do you see? Or you can write down here. Okay? After you are done coloring all the shapes. Okay? So this is the end of our today's class. I will see you in the next class. Okay? Be safe. Take care.